This video is a PSA and reminder for the fellas out there to not get fooled by your mask beard. There are guys that are having problems with their styling, the feel, the health of their beard, and they're attributing it to many different factors, but really it is just their mask beard that is tricking them. Please do not make any harsh decisions because of this. I am here to tell you that your beard is very resilient and will bounce back. Thank you guys for checking the video out today. My name is Dan Bearded, and I do know not everybody wears masks. You can save those comments. I get it. I know all the negativity that can come with that. This simply is for the guys out there for their job or for their choice that are wearing masks, and it really can play tricks with your brain and cause some problems. I'm going to break those all down and give you some suggestions that can really help. The first and most common problem that we are seeing that is fooling people because of their mask beard would be styling issues. We have a whole new term, something has been invented in the last year, and that would be mask waves or mask dips. For guys that are wearing a mask that does not cover their entire beard, you're gonna start to see some dips going down along the jawline, especially in front of the chin. Now, there are guys that are trimming their beard really short, that are shaving because of this, because they think their beard is ruined. They think that style is permanent. It is not here to stay. All that's happening is your hairs are getting trained by that mask to dip in. You can easily train those hairs back the other way as soon as you don't have to wear a mask every day, and it's something you can battle on a daily basis. I'm back teaching in the classroom now wearing a mask. I do have other situations where I get those dips and waves. I still am able to battle them. It's not permanent fix, it's not perfect, but you can figure that out. I will link a video in the description. I might throw it up in the corner right now. That's gonna give you guys the technique on how to battle those ones, but please, do not think that that wave, that dip is permanent, because that's just your mask playing tricks on your brain. Next, let's talk about the health and feel of your beard. Masks are just not good for the way your beard feels. It's just not good for the health of your beard. Some common things that guys are experiencing is their beard feels dry. The outside feels brittle, it doesn't feel nourished or hydrated, and this is because a piece of fabric is literally rubbing on your beard. Usually it is a fabric that absorbs things and it's taking away those oils that we love and need. That's a problem. Secondly, the skin likely feels dry. You may be developing pimples or beard acne or even beard drift, that dandruff. That also is because of the mask. When we are putting that mask on, it's kind of suffocating, not letting the beard breathe and do its normal thing. And all of those problems are coming about because of it. But guys, that is not your health. That is not permanent. It is not actually hurting your beard in the long run. It will bounce back. Let me say this very clearly again. Your beard is resilient. If you feel like your beard is dry, go on a break into the restroom. Get your beard damp, apply some more beard oil or some more beard butter. When you get out of work, take a nice shower and then apply that oil back again. Boom, you're gonna feel like a brand new man and your beard is gonna feel great again. So don't think that if you're going through a tough beard phase right now with the way it feels or the way the health seems, don't think that's the actual reality of it. It's just simply because of that mask. Once that situation is gone, once you're able to remedy it, it will be fine. Your beard will be okay. Please, no bad decisions because of this temporary thing. The best solution to all of these problems, when you're able to, is find a mask that works for your beard. Now, I love masks that are gonna cover up my entire beard or are just gonna lay on the beard and not restrict it. Most of those problems are happening when you have the ear loops that are going over and under the ear and it's putting pressure along the beard. That's causing that dehydration of the beard. That's causing those beard style issues. For me, I'm gonna give you guys a couple of options. What I do is I have a guy on Instagram that makes my mask for me. He doesn't know I'm making this video. I've never made a penny off of him, so don't think this is a sponsorship or a plug. And he makes these masks just like this. For me, it's super simple. Goes over, I'm gonna try to talk to you guys like this, can kind of see it. It goes over my hat, down right here. It does have that little metal pinchy thing for my nose. All right, hopefully you're still able to hear me pretty well. And it goes on the side. I teach with masks just like this. I have ones that are made for school. It kind of lays over my beard. There's no styling. I'm still able to breathe. A huge thing for me, get a little drink of water, and I'm good to go. That's one option. I've also seen some other cool ones out there that I have not personally tried. Let me adjust, right? See, style pretty good. The other ones that I have not tried personally but look really good, one is called the Beard Tarp. I know a lot of you have tried this one. You've sent me pictures. It's made by Always Bearded, I believe is the name. Just look up Beard Tarp and you'll be able to find it. That thing covers full beards, and it has different sizes and options. That's awesome. Another one that's really popular, again, I've never tried, is My Doodle Designs. Check them out. There's guys that rave about those masks. If you can, I know some places require things to curve under the chin, to lock down on the sides. This may not be an option, but if you can, try to find a beard-friendly mask. It will help with the health and the styling of your beard. Let's wrap this up with a conclusion and hopefully some help from you guys at home. Fellas, is there a problem that you have encountered with wearing a mask and your beard that I did not cover in this video today? Please leave a comment down below. I'm pretty sure I forgot some stuff or didn't think about some things and just didn't know them, but that's what the comment section's for. Or can you relate to the problems that I mentioned? I know a lot of you are with me there. And secondly, is there a solution that you have found that has helped or fixed any or all of these problems? Is there a mask company that you've tried that really works for you? I would love to put that down below. I think the better we work together, the more options we have, the more beards we can save and help. So thank you guys. I hope this was a helpful video. I hope you enjoyed watching. I know I do appreciate it. If you stayed till the end and you're not subscribed to the channel, please consider it. I love making these videos and I love the interaction with you guys. Dancy Bearded, stay bearded and stay positive.